try to never let you go. Oh, oh, you my flavor. She get drinking straight.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back, and today's video will be a hair tutorial. So we're just gonna jump right into this thing. Want to get your spray bottle or whatever you use and damp that hair up. As you can see, my shit is dry as hell. So you just keep wetting it and then brushing it up, wetting it and brushing that thing up until you get your desired ponytail going.
Just give me the green light, then we swerving down Marine Drive. Windows open and your hair blowing. Damn, I can hardly focus. Can you poke it out for me? Know what I mean?
So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just putting my hair up, then putting my gel in and just, gelling that thing down and gelling it down. And then I'm going to take it out and then redo that ponytail and make it a slick ass high pony, okay?
Nigga like myself, never thinking about you and nobody else. And my love is good for your health. Oh, I really need somebody. Tell me that somebody. Said I really need somebody. Tell me that somebody. I really need somebody. Need somebody. Need somebody. Need somebody. I really need somebody. Are you that somebody? Said I really need somebody. Are you that somebody? Conversation sometimes overrated. Don't wanna seem impatient, but let's get x-rayed. Don't need to wait so long. We got all night, I know. I can hardly focus. Can you poke it out for me? Can I give it to you, show you how you can take it all? Wanna break you off. Relax and unwind and let me take my time.
So I decided to do my edges off camera because I'm going to have a separate video for that. But right now, all you see me doing is spraying my ponytail because it's super dry. And then just distributing my Cantu leave-in conditioner all throughout my ponytail so that it won't be dry.
I really need somebody. Tell me that somebody. Said I really need somebody. Tell me that somebody. I really need somebody. Need somebody. Need somebody.
Now, you're going to take your pick and pick that damn pony. Pick that puff, girl. Pick that puff. Pick it and don't stop till it's the way you want it to be. Okay? Okay.
But that never stopped the feeling how I feel when I'm with you.
So before I start actually pinning my hair, I wrap it once just to keep it in place, and then I start bobby pinning that thing up until it's how I want it to be. So you just do that and you bobby pin it up until the ponytail look, like the way you want it to be or whatever. So, okay. So I had to kind of kneel on this part, so you're not really seeing me bobby pin my ponytail, but you don't really need to because when you do it, you're going to do it until you like the way your bun is looking. This is the most important part of a ponytail, period. Wrapping it. Wrapping it with a silky scarf. You don't need to do it with a silky scarf, but a silky scarf is better in my opinion. So you're just going to wrap it up and you're just going to leave it on, do whatever you got to do, your makeup, get in the shower, whatever. And then by the time you take it off, your ponytail is going to be so fucking laid, sis.
I can hardly focus. Can you poke it out for me?
This is the finished product. I wish I got better videos and pictures of my ponytail from this day, but I didn't. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, hoes.
Tell me, do you wanna fuck with a young nigga like myself? Could you ever fall in love?